Hi, this is Autumn from Millsap Farms. I am here today to show you really quick how to use Rooted, one of our new interfaces for making online orders. So this is really simple. You start by just looking up Rooted Farmers, and it's one of the first things that comes up. Once you get there, you're going to make a buyer account, which it should have a nice big portal to ask you to do that. Once you do that, it will be your normal name, email address, password. They might ask you a couple of questions about your zip code or what you're looking for, but then you'll be in and you'll have an account. And once you have a Rooted account, you can go into your own profile space and click the shop button. And if you've put in your zip code, it will give you all the local products from the local farms near you, as well as what's available and the prices and the option to buy stuff. If you want a specific farm, you can click on the farm when you see it on the product and you'll get transported to that farm's page. As of right now on the Millsap farm page, we mostly just have flowers, but we're going to be updating that extremely soon. So you should be able to see your squash, your fall vegetables, the farm fresh eggs, all those things that hopefully you'll be able to buy and make orders for, whether it's just for your weekly groceries or preparing ahead for Thanksgiving. So yeah, we hope that this is a quick little tutorial to show you this new platform. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or contact us through our website at millsapfarms.com. Thank you.